For your false expression, you'll need to add new HTML to your products container. Start by removing the undefined, then use the addition assignment operator and template literal syntax to add a div with the class set to product and the ID set to dessert with a placeholder ID. The use also of template literal to the inner HTML property of the products container. So first we have to navigate to our undefined, which would be our falsy expression, and call the products container and then interpolate the method, interpolate the property, pardon my French, that would be the HTML, inner HTML. And then rather than using the equal sign, we have to add a plus and then an equal sign, and that would be the assignment operator. And after assigning the assignment operator, we also have to write in the backticks for our string literal. And then, excuse me, and then create a div, opening div, and then the closing tag of the div. And as the instruction says, the div has to have a class of product and an ID of dessert, dessert, dessert ID with a dollar sign and a curly braces. That would be a template literal and the placeholder of ID. Okay, so let's have a step back. Again, inner HTML is used to create something and replace the existing content of an element with this one. So we access the element products container. Wait, is that even an element? Yes, it is. As you can see here, we have declared the products container as our variable and assigned a method getElement. And that getElement method is used to access an element, of course. So that would be our element. We call it in here to access it with the property of inner HTML. And then to replace any existing content with this one, we have here a div element with a class of product and an ID with a dessert and a template literal ID. Now, why is there a template literal? Well, that is because to indicate that each div should have a unique identifier, or it should, no, or it's because the ID is mutable and it could change. It could change anytime. That is why we use a template literal. Nice.